In this quick guide, you'll learn how to add an attribute in Brevo. Adding attributes to your contacts can help you organize and personalize your interactions more effectively, which is key to successful customer relationship management. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step. First, you need to start by heading over to brevo.com. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL to get to the Brevo homepage. Once you're there, ensure you're logged into your account. If you're not, go ahead and enter your login credentials to access your dashboard. Next, you'll want to navigate to the CRM section. This is where you'll manage your customer data and interactions. Click on the CRM option from your dashboard. It should be easily visible, usually towards the top of the menu on your screen. By clicking CRM, you're entering the hub where all your customer relationships are managed. Now, once you're in the CRM section, look for the Contacts option and click on it. This is where all your contact data is stored. Clicking Contacts will take you to a page listing all your current contacts. It's a good idea to familiarize yourself with this section, as it's where you'll be doing most of your data management. With the Contacts page open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon there. Go ahead and click on that gear icon. The gear icon typically represents settings, so clicking it will give you access to various customizable options. After clicking the gear icon, you'll see a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Contact Attributes. This is the section where you can manage all the attributes associated with your contacts. Attributes are essentially data fields that hold specific pieces of information about each contact, such as their name, email address, or any custom fields you might want. Once you're in the Contact Attributes section, look for the option labeled Create Attribute. Click on Create Attribute to start the process of adding a new attribute. This action will open up a new window or form where you can define the details of the attribute you wish to create. In this new window, you'll be prompted to select the attribute type and enter the name for your new attribute. The attribute type could be anything from a text field to a number field, depending on the kind of data you want to store. Choose the type that best suits your needs. Then, give your attribute a descriptive name that clearly indicates the data it will hold. For example, if the attribute is to store a customer's preferred contact method, you might name it Preferred Contact Method. Finally, with the attribute type selected and name entered, click on the Create button. This final step will save your new attribute, making it ready for use with your contact data. Once created, you can start using your new attribute to better organize and personalize the information you have on your contacts. And there you have it. You've successfully added a new attribute in Brevo. By following these steps, you can customize your contact management system to better suit your business needs. This process not only helps in keeping your data organized, but also enhances your ability to engage with your contacts more effectively. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out other tutorials for more tips on optimizing your Brevo experience.